How to fix your call logs name not showing
Everybody,
on
this
your
is
Redmi
Sabrina
device.
here to help
Hello
you today. So
everyone, I'm
without
here to
any
guide
further
you
ado,
how you
let's
can
get into the video.
solve the
So everybody,
problem
this
that
is
the call
Sabrina
logs
here to
name
help
is
you
not
today. So
showing
without
on
any
your
further
Redmi
ado,
Note
let's
11.
get into the video. So
So if the
everybody, this
name
is
in your
Sabrina
call
here to
logs
help you
on your
today. So
Xiaomi
without
Note
any
11
further ado,
are not
let's get
showing,
into
here
the
are
video.
some
So
steps
everybody,
that you
this is
can try
Sabrina
to
here to help you today.
resolve
So
this
without
issue.
any further
First of all, you have to go to your phone app here and long press on that and go for your eye icon here. So once you are on your contact and dialer app info, here you have to select the permission or tab on the permission here. Once you are here, ensure that you have access to your contact. You have to allow the contact and access for this app on your device. So sometimes clearing the cache and data also may help you to solve your issues. So you have to tap on your storage or clear data to clear your cache here. So clearing data may reset your call logs. You can try clearing your cache. Ensure that your contacts are shown. You have to go to your setting here on your device and go for the account and sync here. Just scroll down, go for the account and sync. And you have to select your account. Here, just go for the Google account and tap on the sync option. Ensure that the contact sync is enabled here. So also a simple restart can often fix the temporary glitches. You can simply restart your device. If none of these above mistake or if nothing else works, so last step is that consider a factory reset. Make sure to back up your data and you have to go to your setting here, and once you are on your setting, go for your about phone and you can go for the backup and restore or factory reset here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix your problem that call logs name not showing on your Redmi 11 device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.